Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Have a good day. This is Eric with Acker's Chimney Services. I'm doing a chimney cleaning, but right now I'm up on the roof. Thought I'd videotape this. This is a Gelco chimney cap. So actually a nice cap. It's kind of expensive. I don't know if that panned out. So anyways, you've got the screws up top to where you can take the lid off. This piece here is called your lid. They went ahead and anchored this with Tapcons screws, which actually you pre-drill into the concrete or the cement or the mortar mix and screw those in. They've also, somebody, I didn't do this, used what I want to say is look at the back side. So the firebox on the inside is showing signs of water damage or water penetration. So this was their fix on this. They went ahead and attached the cap. This cap was probably special ordered because this is not a standardized cap that most chimney companies have on hand. And then they coated their masonry crown with something similar, if not crown seal. And apparently it's hard to say if they originally put it on this, they must have coated this entire side, but as you can see, we got a lot of bare cement coming through where either the product didn't stay on or it was done such a long time ago that it's weathered off. Now if you look at the inside here, this is a 13 by 13 inch flue tile. If I would have been doing this repair, what I would have done is I would have cut probably a 3 inch to 5 inch section of the 13 inch by 13 inch clay flue tile, would have put it, cleaned off everything above the existing one, put it over it, and then I would have mixed up probably about 100 pounds or so fiber reinforced concrete and did a complete overlay of this while attaching the clay flue tile. And then I would have drilled into the corners of the clay flue tile to attach a new chimney cap. Now this Gelco cap is a great cap, very pricey, but this might have been a little bit overkill for this particular job. So when you're getting work like this done because you're having water get into your house or into your fireplace, you really want to evaluate and ask why the company's wanting to do what they want to do, and also find out if there are any other options. Sure, this takes care of the problem, but it's probably not the best way to have had this fixed. It's one way to work around. I'm a kind of suspect on the product they did as the coating on this because it's failed. I mean, everywhere it's failed. Look at this, right here. I mean, it's not. It should be universal, and it's not. Right here, all the way across. I mean, I don't know. Then again, I don't know how long ago they put it on. Could have been 5 years, could have been 10 years. I don't know how long it was, but they put it on because they were having a water problem. Anyways, this is top side of a chimney job, December of 2022. This is Eric. Please like and subscribe. Leave any comments. Greatly appreciate it. Just kind of showing you things that I've run across, giving you some ideas on if you have the same type of problems on how to deal with it or how it should be dealt with. God bless and have a great day.